आमका 4 points त्यांनी विचारलेले which I have answered to them. They have given us a acknowledgement कि all these things they will put it to the high authorities and once the decision comes they'll let us know. So coming back to the point कितें आले ते सांगता की हे इश्यू केल्ले आमी फेब्रुवारीन receipts, okay, and second thing they म्हणता we have already waived off the activity fees. Third thing what she is saying is we have transport waive केला आणि development. So these three things she has told us. But what I said is, first of all, तुम्ही February issue केले, pandemic झाला March India as per the honorable chief minister 22nd was the lockdown. After that people started losing the job. Tourism sector hit झाले. When you issued the bill, everything was fine. सगळे parents आणि पैसे बोललेले till then before that. So this has only happened after this. Second thing, activity fee 500 रुपये तुम्ही waive off करताय, आख्या वर्षाचे 2000 रुपये होते म्हणून. So they आम्ही as a parents collectively we are not agreeing to that. And second thing we have told her, this is not a mom who have come to fight with you. This is a collective parent group, educated parents who have come and well-to-do families who have come here to support whatever. We are all supporting each other in terms of the fee structure that you have come up. Third thing is, what's the transport? Not all the parents are availing the benefit of transport. Some are dropping them personally as well. So here तुमका दिलेला हात we'll take it on from there right now. So what she's saying is she's going to send it to the higher authorities and once the decision comes she'll let us know.
We have gathered here today to request the management of the school to give us some respite, some waiver in the fees, because during this lockdown, this COVID crisis, lot of parents have been hit. Salaries, jobs, you name it, it's all hit. So we would want to request the management to at least consider, they've hiked up the fees for this academic year. So to consider the hike, to consider fees like infrastructure. Our kids are not coming to the schools, but yet we are paying infrastructure fees, development fees, school maintenance fees, to give us some respite. The tuition fee we are ready to pay to some extent because the teachers are available online with the children. But where maintenance of the school, infrastructure, development of the school fees, something there we want a respite. And now with the extension, if the lockdown gets extended again, then the whole academic year the children are going to be at home. No jobs. People are hit. A lot of people are hit.
A memorandum to the
We had given them a letter earlier, which there was no response from the school. That is the reason why we all got together here today, because there was no response. So we were just requesting the school management just to come out to tell us what their decision. They need time, fine, whatever it is, just to give us a decision so that we all understand. Nobody is putting this, there's no hard and fast rule, but at least come out and address us, which the management is not ready to do. They want us to come as individuals inside the office. We are here more than 300 parents, I think, so it's not possible. So we just ask them, come out, address. So everyone is satisfied, everyone gets a reply. Whether you need time, obviously it's a trustee, they'll need time to discuss, whatever it is, but give us an answer in response to the letters that we put in. That's all.
I hope you understand the fact that this is a unaided school and they need to raise some kind of a funding that comes from the admissions and the
That is true, but then everyone needs to raise funding as of today. Everyone, I feel, has to be funded somewhere. Given the crisis,
Who's funding the parents?
who's funding us? Everyone is bearing the brunt. It's not only the school that's bearing the brunt. So we are asking them to consider, because we are also bearing the brunt. Everyone's offices, hotels, ships, everything is down. It's a global pandemic. This has affected everyone globally. It's not affecting only schools, only parents. It's affecting everybody.